Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. In today's video, we will learn about codominance. Now let's get started. In a heterozygote, both alleles express themselves. The alleles which do not show dominance-recessive relationship and are able to express themselves independently when present together are called codominant allele. As a result, the heterozygous condition has a phenotype different from either of homozygous genotypes. The symbols used for codominant genes are different. As we taken the example of AB blood group, then these genes are represented as like this. This is I genes, and A and B alleles are written on the upper script. Like this. Example of codominance are AB blood group, MN blood grouping, coat color in short horned cattle, sickle cell hemoglobin, etc. We will understand this codominance with the help of AB blood group example. In ABO blood grouping, 4 types of blood groups are there. A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group and O blood group. These are shown by the genotype. A will be shown by these two type of genotype. A will be shown by this genotype, IA small I capital A, I capital A. Same as B also, I capital B small I capital B, I capital B. This is B blood group. Now then, O blood group, only this type of genotype will be result in O blood group, that is small I. But AB blood group is shown by I capital A, I capital B. So, in case of AB blood group, both the alleles, that is capital A and capital B, are expressed themselves and the genotype will be AB. And if this A is present in homozygous condition, then the blood group is A. And if B is present homozygously, then the blood group is B. But when A and B collectively present, then the blood group will be AB. Codominance means both. When both the alleles showing their effect in the phenotype, then this will termed as codominance. As we had discussed this line, that heterozygous condition has a phenotype different from either of homozygous genotype. This is homozygous genotype. This is homozygous genotype. These are different, and this is heterozygous genotype. This is also different. This heterozygous genotype will be different from this homozygous genotypes. And these alleles do not show dominance recessive relationship. In hybrid condition, these alleles do not show dominance recessive relationship. As we had discussed that both the alleles express themselves, so neither A express completely, neither B express completely. So we can say that neither A is dominant nor B is dominant. Both the alleles showing their effect combinedly effectively. This condition, in codominance, this condition always observed in hybrid condition. In homozygous condition, there is dominance recessive relationship. I hope you will get this. The effect of both the alleles is equally expressed in codominance. There is no mixing of the effect of the two alleles. As we have discussed this, there is no blending, there is no mixing, there is no intermediate stage in codominance. But the effect of the both alleles is equally expressed. Both alleles produce their effect independently. If these alleles present independently, they will show their effect. Like if IA present independently, it will show A blood group, and if IB present independently, it will show B blood group. But in a heterozygote condition, they will form a collective effect that is called AB blood group. The expressed phenotype is combination of two phenotypes and their allele. A blood group, B blood group are the phenotype, and the genotype are IA, IB, IB. So we can say that the expressed phenotype, that is AB blood group, this is the phenotype, is combination of two phenotype, A blood group and B blood group. These are the two phenotypes. AB blood group is combination of A blood group and B blood group and its alleles, that is IA and IB. I hope you will get this. This is all about codominance. Please do like and share my video, and if you like my work, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.